In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Google Calendar. One of the easiest ways to connect a spreadsheet to Google Calendar without writing any code is by using a third-party add-on from the Google Workspace marketplace. These add-ons can take rows in your sheet, match each column to a calendar detail like title and date, and then create events in Google Calendar for you. To begin, open your Google Sheet. It can be a brand new spreadsheet or an existing one that already has your event information. Once your sheet is open, go to the top menu and click Extensions. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools that extend what your spreadsheet can do. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that connect Sheets with other services, including Google Calendar. In the search bar, type the name of the add-on you want to use. A common option is Calendar Events Creator. Select it from the results to open its listing. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct add-on by checking the name and the general description, since search results can include similar tools. When you are ready, click Install. Google will then ask you to continue and review permissions. Click Continue and follow the prompts to allow the add-on to work with your Google account. This authorization is required so the add-on can read event details from your spreadsheet and create calendar events on your behalf. After installation completes, you will return to your spreadsheet with the add-on available under the Extensions menu. From there, you will typically open the add-on to display a sidebar. In that sidebar, you will map your spreadsheet columns to Google Calendar fields. For example, you will match the column that contains event titles to the event title field, and the columns with dates and times to the start and end fields. Careful mapping is important, so your events show up at the correct time and with the right details. Once everything is mapped, run the tool to import your data and create the calendar events. It is a good idea to review your calendar right after the import to confirm the events look correct. And that is all there is to it.